Hey guys, so today's video is how to make props for your shoots, and it's very easy. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. You will need a cup, some cotton, maybe a Fevicryl color and a brush. Now we have to manage the shape of the cotton in such a manner that it forms the shape of a frost coffee. Make it a little bit pokey and cotton will automatically take the shape. Then you have to sprinkle some water on the cotton. Take the Bonvita or coffee and start sprinkling it all over the cotton. Make sure you cover each and every area. In addition, you can take some water in a glass and a brush and firmly spread Bonvita onto the cotton, which will instead give the Bonvita color on the cotton. That can help in forming the realistic look of a coffee cup. And now you can see how I have used this cup in my shoot. The next up will be the hair accessory. That is just a normal tie-up for your pony. You need any of the fabric, either plain or printed, and you need to cut down it almost 2 to 3 inches broad. Firstly, I'm tying my hair with a rubber band, and then later on I'll be tying this hair accessory or a band on the ponytail. So this is it. And also you can see how I have used this in my shoot. The next up are the bow ties, which are really long. Here in my shoot, what I have done is I have used a bow tie as a hairband, which you all guys can do. And if you want to watch my video for bow ties, you can go onto my channel and you can watch the video how to make a bow tie.